Hello friends, welcome to the channel OrgaNatic. In today's video I'm gonna share with you how you can decorate t-shirts using napkins. It can be some kind of a fashionable print for grown-ups or a funny t-shirt for kids. Also, it's a good way to entertain kids at a birthday party. I'm positive that most of you have the items we will need for this at home, which are a t-shirt, preferably plain color, napkins with a print of your choice, plastic wrap, parchment paper, scissors and an iron. Okay, now that we got all the needed items, let's get to work. We had no difficulty finding and choosing the napkins with children's themes, since there are so many to choose from. My daughter picked the princess theme. By the way, it's a cool idea for covering some stubborn stain. Just letting you know. We carefully separate the thin top layer with the picture and crop our princesses along the contour. The more precise the crop, the better they'll look on a t-shirt. Then we place the cropped pictures between two pieces of plastic wrap. Now we cut out each picture so that the edges of the plastic wrap remain about 1 cm. It is needed to stick the picture to the t-shirt. And now the fun begins. Lay out all the pictures where you want them to be on the t-shirt. Cover them with the smooth size of a parchment paper and iron it at a maximum heat until the plastic wrap melts. It took me about 30 seconds. Wait till the paper cools down, then carefully remove it. Look at how cool it turned out! Of course, it won't last forever, but it looks fun for the time remaining. After practicing on a kid's t-shirt, we can get to some serious work. Making a t-shirt for ourselves. A floral theme has been relevant for many seasons now and often can be pricey. After rummaging through my stuff, I found a cute napkin that I decided to use to decorate my t-shirt. Just like before, I separated the top layer with the image and carefully cropped the flower along the contour. I decided to leave the leaves since they make the flower look much livelier and more colorful. Again, I placed it between two plastic wrap sheets and cut it out, leaving 1 cm on the edges. After finding the perfect spot on the t-shirt, I covered the flower with the smooth side of the parchment paper and ironed it well. The most satisfying part of the whole process is removing the paper and seeing how it turned out. I really like it. Please let me know in the comments if you already tried to decorate your t-shirt this way and which picture did you choose. If you like this video, please show it to me by hitting the like button. Please subscribe to my channel if you like videos about home organizations, life hacks and much more. See you next week. Bye bye!